Hey guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I got kgm 5512 Kyle's motor mocked up. Excuse me. First assembly, checking clearances and all that. And also his 71 showed up today, all safe and sound, no problems, and he has the updated version with the better manifold on it and the one ring piston. This his 45 is going to be a really nasty piece. This is going to be dynamite for him. I really, I really put a lot of time in this engine, and still am. It's not done, It's really going to be a absolute killer. You can see there's a ton of work in there. It's got transfer area now up to wazoo. That's a technical term. So both of these engines, the chainsaw cylinders, they're very similar designs, and the shortcomings on both of them are a lot of the same. I also want to mention that David, the gentleman that I did the reed case engine for, put up a new video today on the SRE Facebook page. So another quick video, but he gives it a little rip today with 2647 gears, or some ungodly top end gear in it. And you can just see it. I mean, on the pavement, it just fries the tires. In the dirt, it just fries and balloons the tires. So I can honestly say now, I didn't want to say this before, but I can honestly say it now, that the 71 is going to be a pretty good little powerhouse with the right work done. I think the trick was not to try and change it into something that it's not, but to enhance what it's already good at, which is low to mid-range power. All I have on his motor is a 6,000 spring, and with 195 millimeter tires, with 2647s gears. He's just, and it still runs great, sounds great. He's using the Barlow side pipe on it right now because there really isn't a badass pipe for this motor. So he's using that. We're gonna get together and make a better manifold for it. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Hot Rod 67. Your 71 is right here, brother. I moved over your kill switch thing for you. Only thing left to do is put your clutch on, but I'm not going to do that till I put it on my test stand and fire it up. I was going to do that today, but it's rained all day here. So hopefully tomorrow I can do that, and then I can get them out. Eddie Rivera, if you're watching this, your engine shipped today. Sorry I was late a couple days on getting it out. I apologize. So I think that covers everybody's bases. Still working on Doug's engine. Steve, I'm going to get started on yours within the next couple of days. Videos to follow. So go on the SRE Facebook page, guys, and check out the 71 clip from David. He's really really trying hard to test the engine for us. So support them if you would, guys. Okay, thanks. Sorry, I'm out.